Side dishes don't have to be boring, and this one proves it. Hi, and welcome to Occasional Fish. Today we're making a side dish that's quick, sweet, buttery, and addictively delicious. Let's jump right in and get to cooking. Grab a medium skillet and place it over medium heat. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Let the butter melt, swirling it gently to keep it from browning too fast. Once melted, stir in the brown sugar until it dissolves into the butter. Add 2 tablespoons of water and stir to combine. Depending on your pan and heat, you might need a splash more water, but 2 tablespoons usually does the trick. Now it's time to add the carrots. Pour them into the pan and bring everything to a gentle simmer. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Once the sauce is bubbly, reduce the heat to medium-low and cover. Cook the carrots for 12 to 15 minutes or until they're fork tender. Just look at how glazy these are. It's almost unbelievable how something so simple can turn out so well. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe. And just remember, if you ever find yourself making a tedious recipe, just switch to this one. These easy glazed baby carrots aren't just a sweet veggie side, they're the star of the plate. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.